Hello, investors, traders, and the like that have been following us on Square. My name is Fred Atwater, and I want to show you something real briefly and real quick on Square. For those that were in this trade with us, should have felt some dramatic behavior yesterday on that big giant red candle right there. It appears to be a bearish engulfing pattern that occurred, but I think it was just a little bit of overexcitement in the market because it hit the retest and the support level right here, and then it bounced back up. After I saw it bounce midday, I thought, I bet the next day is going to be an inside day candle, and it was actually better news than an inside day candle on the day after, which was in fact today. An inside day candle, if we look that up real briefly here. Let me pull up a Mozilla, and you can Google inside day candle and look at what that means, if that does pop up. Looks like my internet is cooking slow here. So inside day is an inside bar on the daily chart. The Harami is a candlestick pattern that focuses on the range of the candle body. So what it means, without going too deep into this and wasting too much time, it means the market usually takes a rest after a dramatic day like occurred yesterday. And as long as it didn't open up, down here, I was like, okay, this is going to be an inside day candle, and it was actually better than an inside day because it went all the way back up to the top of that candle. So I would guess that the bullish, and it is actually, let me zoom in. Here's another point of education on this particular candle. Let me zoom in here onto the chart itself. If I just do this and capture that candle, that is a shaved top. So this green candle ran almost all the way to the top of that, but right at close, look, there's no upper wick. That is bullish behavior. It's called a shaved top candle. So we had better than an inside day candle. An inside day candle would have occurred if the the stock had closed down here with some sort of wick activity and filled that bar in like that. But that's not what happened. We got a bullish shaved top candle that was also a bearish rejection because the bears got bunted out of this. I think it was just a lot of excitement going on. We have earnings coming up here next week. It's a week from today. And let me show you the risk analysis. Oh, this is cool. I want to show you on the risk analysis graph something that happened today. So I think on my last video we were showing P&L right at 2,000. It actually lowered down just a tiny bit from that right now, down to like 1,800 or so. Not much lowering. But what occurred that was really cool was we had a delta bump on the long side. So you look at net delta over here, and 785 deltas. Okay, so there's 10 contracts divided by 10, that's 78 deltas a piece. We bought these when they were 75 deltas a piece, and as the stock has gone up, it finally bumped up to 785 deltas. And look what that did for us here. Ooh, man, that was a lot of money. So before this peak line, this peak of this point was running down here at $4,500. So but the delta bump, just that little bit of delta bump right there, really, and some IV increase because I think there's some volatility going on in the stock, lots of buying activities, so the price of those was raised slightly. And what did it do for us that already owned? Boy, it went from a $4,500 peak profit to a $6,000 peak profit, $1,500 in one day. So 1,500, right, divided by that is equal to a 30% bump in max profit. That is outstanding, and an outstanding use of options. We're just waiting for this purple line to slowly rise, and it will deflate like a popped balloon as soon as earnings occur, and that purple line will rise up here. We're looking at a very, very nice profit zone on this particular stock, from anywhere way down here at around break even right now. Break even's down here at 64 65. Actually, this other line, that's not quite true. Break even on this particular delta map is down here at 62. Now, do I think that's going to be true? No, because I didn't get enough premium. The chart will change as time goes on. My break even will be the entry price here, 21.25 minus 288. Subtract it out. Yeah, let's see, my break even at there, and this is a red going like this. Price here, it's going to be right around this point right here, 65, 66, if the stock takes a crump at earnings. But if not, because it is behaving very, very bullishly, I expect to close somewhere in this zone right here at the August expiration. That's pretty wide variability there, 67 up to 76, 77, a nice huge range. And a P&L, max P&L at 6,000. If it closes here, P&L drops to about 5,500. If it closes down here, P&L is still at 55, $5,500. That is very, very nice trade setup so far, and we're just letting the market do its thing. All right, that's it, guys. So what did we cover? We covered on the chart. We looked at a this is called a bearish engulfing, but it was also a bearish rejection because it went down here to this support level right here, and then I expected an inside day candle. And what did we get? We got better than that. We got a shaved top candle that occurred right here. Very bullish in nature for this particular underlier. All right, thank you, and have a good night, guys. Best of luck to you in your trading. Thank you. Bye.